Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Just please let me know if the sound is good so we can start right now. Sorry we don't have a real fixed time, but later, within a month and a half or so guys, a couple months, we're gonna have more fixed stuff. So guys, as we can see, the equity market is having a correction, and that's nice, expected. And so let's read the comments here first, and I'm gonna switch the chart to something else. So let's go for Australian dollar. Australian dollar, guys, free fall. Excuse me. So guys, you can see in the APCO system, once the trend was broken right here, that was like bang. Okay, so it's beautiful, beautiful. Really, which level we want to kind of go to? It's probably something like this you want to take profit at. So it's still 150 more pips, guys, here. Probably at this price. The price you want to get out is the price you want to buy again at. So really we still have between here and actually can be up to here, all the way down here, but this will need a really big correction in the equity market to come down here. So this is most likely to happen. So we have given this yesterday, you guys, we talked about this one. So we're already like over 100 pips down from where we talked about. So I'm just gonna read the comments for you guys. I'm gonna leave the market scanner on this screen so you can see what is trending, what's buy, what's sell. Basically Australian, New Zealand, Canadian are weak, Japanese yen and franc are strong, Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand are buy, Pound Australian, Pound New Zealand are buy, Pound Japanese yen, Pound franc sell, Euro dollar super crash, it's -6, it's -1 here, super crash. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, both of them are a sell. USD CAD as a buy, but I would avoid this one. Hey, please guys, don't forget to hit the like button. If YouTube asks you about the channel, just give a nice feedback. This will be appreciated so our channel can grow. So I'm just gonna read through the comments. Ali here, good morning sir. Mr. Mukesh, I will answer you about the gold very soon. Mr. Walter here. Sorry guys, if I mix up with a lady's name, I say Mr., so please forgive me for this. Sometimes it will not be very clear, so please, you know, be tolerant in this one. Good morning, Dash here, greetings. Oh, Olo, hi pro. Mr. Hussam, you're most welcome. Mukesh, I guess so. I have observed that Salman's predictions are 80-90%. Okay, bro, thank you. Mr. Mazhar here. Salam. Stephen here. Good morning, guys. Morning, Stephen. Hope you're having a good day. Dash is happy with the with the accuracy and precision of the forecast. So great. Mr. Hussam here he's saying at $700 profit today so far with the signals and system. Congratulations. So I hope you can double this one. Mr. Mukesh, I recommend this channel to most of my friends. Thanks, man. Great, Sam. Congratulations. Where from? Sam. Syria, brother, but I trade super safe. I have 11k account. I take only half a mini only. Imagine if I take like standard lots, it would have been 7,000, but I am not good at handling pressure, so I trade small. That's a good idea. Mukesh here saying lol, still a nice strategy. Sam, wish you a very good luck. We us too. It is very unique, not just the traditional forecasting. For the market you see deep knowledge. That's nice. Mukesh here again saying I am following this channel since the beginning. Awesome sound, nice, sounds good, great, sounds perfect, sounds good. Looks like everybody agrees on the sound. Good, sound good. No worries, yes. I am a sir. Perfect. I was talking in general, I was not talking specific about you. Anyway, but no worries. So you guys, I think the market is going amazing as forecasted last week. So really, the euro did crash from the euro CAD area. Exactly, we did highlight together, guys, if you do remember this one. So we're gonna look at the indexes right here, guys. So the dollar index, which is the king of the market, is going up. So this is the dollar index in the H1 time frame. So really you have said to buy the dollar, and that's gonna make everything fall against the dollar. So probably gonna see the pound dollars falling, Australia, New Zealand, everything is just gonna fall against the dollar, guys, okay? Maybe not Japanese yen for now, but everything is gonna fall against the dollar. Dollar did reach a really low level. The only way it's gonna come down if they announce negative interest rates. Not most likely to happen now. I think the Feds are gonna be more conservative in this approach. So I think the dollar index is just gonna fly to the top, really massive bang like that, okay? So the dollar index, this is just an average, like different number, is not a tradable dollar index. We just use this for analysis, but the real dollar index, I think it's around the 96 level, plus or minus now. So we should go back to 99. So we're looking for 300 bips in the dollar index. If you can add the Australia and New Zealand indexes coming down, that's gonna make a really good trend. The euro index, it did come down. So you guys, as you can see here, the dollar is going up. The euro index itself is ranging a little bit, but euro dollar is gonna be crashing, okay? And the pound index, of course, is gonna come down as the dollar goes up. Is gonna put weight in the pound. Franc index is gonna go up as a safe haven with the Japanese yen. So really, franc is gonna be strong today and tomorrow, possibly Friday. We're gonna Japanese yen is falling because this is the opposite of Japanese yen. So all JPY pairs are big sell, guys, and that's coming with the stock market. Australian also is coming down really super strong with the equity correction. You can imagine the equity is coming down and the dollar is going up. Both of them crashing so bad, the Australian. You can see this straight line, and this is expected to continue down like this, just like in a straight line like that. That's why I in the last weekly forecast, if you go check, I said this stuff is garbage, it's gonna crash, and that was absolutely right, guys, okay? So the trend is not always your friend. It's your friend to a point, then it becomes your worst enemy. So remember this, your friend is not the trend all the time, okay? Someone is gonna go by here and saying because that's the trend, that's dumb, okay? So you have to know when the trend is your friend and when it's your worst enemy, and you start a new trend. And that's really you need smart systems, guys, smart systems like what we have right here. If you look at this one, Australian super weak, New Zealand super weak, franc. So really it simplifies trading. It puts you in the right direction. It makes you look at things different way. Imagine 100,000 traders, only 100 people have this system. Those 100 people are gonna see the market differently. Okay, so the more knowledge, the more tools you have, you're gonna be able to make a proper decision, and you're gonna make profit in the market. So really this helps a lot. Okay, if you look here, it's gonna tell you what is buy, what is sell, like that. Okay, what's going on in this stuff. So it's really nice system. Okay, guys, use these guys if you want to buy it. It's probably not too bad. EuroCAD, it did break up because Canadian is weak. So you guys, we're gonna be selling EuroCAD. See this area right here? We're gonna go there and we're gonna sell it coming down here. Okay, so keep the eye on this one. So we're gonna sell EuroCAD at 1.5250. Boss, yeah, that's good. I don't think it's gonna reach up here. Keep the eye on this one. It's not gonna go back here. It's just gonna come back from this area. So that's something to pay attention to. Pound yen is crashing as the pound is coming down, and Japanese yen is also reversing. That's a super trend. So we have two sells right here. We did sell at 139 and 137.50. So our two trades running about 600. I would say that one running 250, and this one is running 100. So 350 bips running in those two trades, guys. Okay, so possibly when we come to this square, we really want to get out and take about 700 bips in just two trades in our VIP channel, which is cool. We did sell also the FTSE, and we did sell the dollar franc. Yeah, you guys, let me show if I can some of this stuff here. Okay, so if we look at the Canadian index, it's coming down, crashing, so that's really cool. You guys can see the Canadian. Okay, so you can see, expect also the oil to be coming down to what level? If you guys go like this, so really up to here only. At this area, we're gonna be buying CAD again. Watch out, this is a reversal area for us. If you go New Zealand, it's like bang. Okay, so really, if you go for our time frame, it's like, look guys, look, this was so much far away from the trend line. It has to come back. It's no way. It's manipulated. So really, you need to come back to here, then we'll talk. It has to come back to here before we actually take any action. You can see this trend line here, so possibly at this level we're gonna be buying New Zealand again. Okay, so we still have 2 more days to come possibly. Okay guys, DAX, we also did sell the DAX. It did crash so bad, which is beautiful. Why did I switch here? Australian index is crashing really nice. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, even the 30-minute time frame, we're gonna see it's crashing really strong here. So that's really, it's going nice. Market overall, technical analysis, systems, quantitative analysis, just like smart money, how they invest and how they move their money. So that's the way to go, guys. That's the way to go. You guys, if you didn't join our systems, you can join through our website. It's written very small at the left side there. You can see it. This white thing has a black thing inside called www.fxmarketstrategy. Yeah, right there. Okay. So Japanese yen, it did crash from here as expected with the stock market coming down, and Japanese yen did fall before the stock market crash, and that did give me indication the equity market is gonna crash, and the Dow and the FTSE and the DAX are gonna be a sell, because the JPY indicator was a leading to the equity market. So that's how I was able to kind of figure out the rest of the stuff. So it was really cool stuff. We're gonna put a lot of it, guys, in the course. So once we prepare the course, it's gonna be available. We're gonna have a lot of secrets in it, so it's gonna make, it's gonna help you a lot to understand the market. I can tell you, not too many people give the secrets of this market. Okay, so this franc as a safe haven is going up with the Japanese yen. The pound is coming down because the dollar is going up. The only reason the pound is coming down is the dollar is going up. And you can see there was a couple trend lines here, that one, and it did break. So really, it should come down here all the way to this level as long as the dollar is going up. Okay guys, as long as the dollar is going up, pound is gonna be under pressure. Pound dollar is really nice sell, guys. Now pound dollar is really nice sell. Euro index. Okay, as the dollar going up, Euro index is just going sideways. What this is gonna tell me maximum is gonna go up to here. Then if if the dollar continue to go up, then the euro is gonna crash with the pound. And DAX, we did give this beautiful signal right here at the top, guys. We give the signal right here in our channel. It's probably, we can show you guys our channel here. Just 1 second here. I need to hide some stuff. Okay guys, let's read the chat now. Please don't forget to hit the like button so we can get okay, let's go back to this one. We ended up at the sound point, so we continue. Yes. Simon saying here, hi, great and signals. The DAX 30 is crashing as predicted. Thanks, you're most welcome. Thanga saying here, will pound and JPY go bullish? Cause I read Citibank analysis. Good luck with the bank analysis. We trade against the bank, but Mr. Mikesh saying here, true. Yeah, it will go bullish, but not now. It may go 400 bips down first or 500 bips. Mukesh saying true. I don't remember about what, but probably he's right. Mr. Mazhar saying Euro Australian. We said that's a buy. Okay guys, so here through Euro bound, avoid Mazhar, avoid Euro bound now. Now the money guys in the Australian, New Zealand and equity market, why would you go trade Euro bound? Like the money is in Australia and New Zealand. That's what we teach here. We teach where the money is and we follow. The money today is in the equity market crashing Australian. Okay guys, so yeah, bound Australian, it's possibly is gonna go up, but if the bound fall is really strong, it's gonna range. I hope this does make sense. Yeah, Euro GDP's news is coming. Yes, of course it's gonna be negative. What do you expect? It's gonna crush the euro, so euro is gonna go further down. And why is this euro is gonna go further down? Because the dollar is gonna go up. Whether the GDP is positive or negative, the dollar is gonna go up. It's gonna send the euro down. So don't like this news is just manipulation, guys. The market has a certain way to move. Just they don't tell you how. How far will Nasdaq drop? Dash, that's really question. That's really good. Good question. Just till you feel you have enough money in your account with this sell signal, then you're gonna be happy. You're gonna close. After you close right away, it's gonna go back up. So, Mr. Mazhar saying Euro GDP news. Yeah, we're talking about this. Australia, New Zealand. So now Australia and New Zealand, guys, both of them are getting crushed. Where do you go trade this one? So let's ask our members. That's what we teach here, guys. That's why you need the system. Here, look at this one. Of course, for Dash, I was just joking, guys. Okay. We're gonna be updating you about what happened. So look at Australian right here and New Zealand right here. Both of them are very weak. Would you guys trade this Australian against New Zealand or against Canadian? Please write the answer. Our members, please write the answer. Would you trade Australian Canadian now or Canadian New Zealand or Australian New Zealand? Yes or no? And why? Thank you, gentlemen. So Simon here said, no, they all weak. The market will be ranging. Amazing, good answer. So Mr. Omar, Mr. Ahmed Omar here. So welcome to our channel. Looks like you are new to join us here. So how we trade is our main secret in trading is we try to avoid the range of market and we hit the trend. And the tool we use to do this, and Mr. Hussam also answering no, because they are on equal powers, they will range. We trade the strong against the weak. Perfect. Mr. Riyad, stocks are coming down. Sell New Zealand, Australian. Perfect. See all the members on the same page right here. I don't even have to answer. So Mr. Omar here, what we do, our secret in trading is we take the strongest currency against the weakest currency, and what's gonna show us is the VSA meter system, which is this one. Okay, you can get this from our website. It's $249 per 1 year. So you can see the Australian really weak. So you want to sell it against Japanese yen, or you want to buy Euro Australian dollar. Then you want to avoid the Australian against the CAD against New Zealand. Both three of them are very close to each other. So the market's gonna be ranging if you trade those three. Okay. It may go down a little bit. So Australia and New Zealand may be coming down, but really in 4 hours, Australian and Japanese yen may go 120 bips. Australia and New Zealand is gonna go down 20 bips. So you want to take the maximum volatility in the least amount of time, and you're gonna find this in the Australian Japanese yen, not in the Australian New Zealand. So Australian New Zealand is not a good decision to trade, while Australian Japanese yen is perfect trade and perfect entry and perfect profit. So this is our methodology in the market, and the members are getting it. So it's very nice. Very glad to see that. Okay guys, for the Dow, of course you guys know the Dow is my favorite. So 27, let's agree on something. The up move we're gonna get in the Dow is gonna be 1000 points. I'm not gonna talk about the down move now. I'm talking about the up move. So this next up move is going to be 1000 points. The good question is, where we're gonna get it from? Is it from lower or from here? That's what we need to watch the market and take action with price action. Okay, but for now we still can see the 26,500, so we can see another 700 points, as long as it will not reverse very soon early in the New York session. If it gets sold off as a profit taken, this is profit taken guys, this is not selling everything. Big companies and stuff, they're just taking profit. Why is it taking profit? I can't tell you. Psychologically, the 27,500 is a very round number. So 27,500 is a very big round number. So those computer systems where they trade, they have computer system saying if you reach 27,500 you take profit, close 50% of the positions. Okay, so the 27,500 extremely important number in the journey of Dow. Just to make this make sense guys, we're gonna come here and I'm gonna put this template, which is good in range analysis. See right here in this area, this is the high, all time high, and this is all time low for this last year. And you just got above this level right here. Okay, this is really important number, as it is a round number. So we can go down all the way. Would we go down all the way to 25,400? I don't think so. It's possible, but I don't think so. Okay, I think this correction is just gonna go to the 26,400, 500 area. So we're looking about 1,000 bips correction points, but then we're gonna take up very fast. So you guys see this big candle right here? We're gonna get a bigger one. Okay, so watch out. We're selling this one, but the buy is gonna even be better. The buy is gonna be more profitable. So you guys just keep the eye on this one. So Ahmed here saying thanks, you're most welcome brother. What about euro dollar? So we can look here about euro dollar. That's also a good question. Euro dollar is just the opposite of dollar index. Okay, so if we go here to the dollar index, I need to close some of this stuff. If we look here at the dollar index, so this is the dollar index right here. Just my laptop frozen. Okay, so this is the dollar index right here. As you can see, the dollar index is going up. This is gonna make the euro dollar come down. So the euro dollar is only a sell. However, the euro dollar is not the best thing to sell right now, but it's a sell. I'm just answering a question. So probably our way of trading is we see where the smart money is, how to be moving smartly. You invest for the shortest amount of time to make the biggest gain. Shortest amount of time to make the biggest gain. So right now probably was Australian franc, Australian Japanese yen. You guys know Australian Japanese yen is more volatile than Australian franc. However, the bib value is different also. Okay. Okay guys, so let's see here if we do have any questions. I'm just gonna put this one for that one. So if you guys want to have the system for the new members here, it's available on our website, as I mentioned earlier, like 5 times. Okay, Mr. Jose here, bro. I can see the system to check if the markets are weak or strong. Does it expire after I join the premium? What do you mean by expire, bro? Once you get access to the systems, you subscribe to one of the plans, you're gonna have, let's say, annual plan, which is like $249 per year. You're gonna have access to all this stuff, $249 per year. For any updates, it's free. For any new systems added, it's free. For any new indicators, it's free. And also, you're gonna get 1 hour online education and how to use it. Only comes with the annual package, guys. And also you're gonna get free signals. So all that stuff is included. This is limited time offer, guys. So once we have only those members are gonna be joining now are gonna have this, because once we have the app, the signals are gonna be separate. So you're gonna have to pay for the signals by itself if you need to join the signals. So the systems, because it will be 2 different groups, they're not the same. So that's why it's gonna be different. Anyway, this is limited time offer. If you want to join the annual package now till the app is launched, you will get free signals. So you're saving, like, if the signals are gonna be like $50 a year, you're gonna be saving like $500 in the signals. Anyway, so yeah, it will not expire. The system will work for you for 1 year, no problem, just like as you see it. And all our members here, majority of the people are watching now, guys, are already members with us on the website. So they can tell you, they can answer you how does it work and everything. You don't have to even ask me. Morton here asking how I'm doing. I'm good, thank you. But Jason saying good trading day for all. You as well, thank you. Okay guys, please, if you do have any question, you can go ahead with it. So it's nice day, it's nice trading day, it's perfect. Our members are in good profit. So you guys, I'm just gonna show you the guys. Here is the Jose saying, okay, thanks bro, you're most welcome. Riyadh saying here the system is very good, made trading very straightforward and profitable, thanks, you're most welcome. Okay guys, so this is just showing you how we follow up with the analysis right here. So this is one of our members here. So we sold the New Zealand dollar. You can see he's only using 0.1 lot size, which is nothing big. A New Zealand dollar, so he was in $21 profit. Bound New Zealand, buy 46, sell bound yen. You guys look at that same time we are selling bound Japanese yen, we are buying bound New Zealand, and that's the power of understanding correlation. If you do understand correlation, if you do understand indexes, if you do understand market movement, also if you have our VSA market scanner, you're gonna be able to buy bound New Zealand and sell bound Japanese yen at the same time, and both will be in green, you know, or in blue in this case. So buy bound Australian, buy Euro Australian, and you can see the differences here. We almost trade in everything, sell Australian, Japanese yen. So, but we are focusing to selling the Australian and New Zealand, and we're buying other stuff. We're buying dollar, we're buying pound, we're buying euro, like that. So just makes sense, okay? And that was like $500, guys. So it was really cool. This is the Dow when it did start to fall. So we did give this signal. It was beautiful right here. You can see the price. We sold it at 27,500. We tried to sell yesterday, but it did hit stop loss, which is okay. We lost 200 points, but today it did run to profit really nice. It did make up for yesterday and even extra. The Dow right here, that one. Then New Zealand USD, we did sell at 65.26, so that was beautiful. You can see was the first candle coming down here. We did sell. It's really nice. Australian USD, we did sell at 69.61. Actually, we also did sell before, excuse me guys, so that was really nice also. You guys see the DAX. When did we sell the DAX? 12,855. So that's beautiful sell. Okay, so everybody in risky free trade now. The dollar, we did give a hint from here, the dollar is gonna go up, so master is waking up, tell all currencies to move aside. Okay guys, so that meant Australian, New Zealand, euro and pound and everything just against the dollar, just gonna crash. We also sold the FTSE, the UK 100 at that price, 6470, which was really nice. We gave a hint here, Australia and New Zealand are due to big correction, so sell against pound, Japanese yen, euro and dollar, like that. So only sell Australia and New Zealand. Against anything else, they're gonna be in profit, which was really nice. Euro Australian, we did give a buy signal from here. Okay, this is not showing the price, but you guys can tell here, so it was really nice. Okay, just you guys, I'm gonna add Andreas here. There we go. You're welcome, but now you're added. You're probably watching online now. Here we go. Okay guys, so go back here, sorry. So guys, some stuff we would give a full explanation of the market, and some stuff will give a signal. Some signals you're gonna go exact number, some signals we're gonna give. So we really want you also to have some, you know, some freedom in your account. We advise in small lot size and stuff. It's not like any other channel. It's just gonna be very specific to the point. It has a little bit of freedom here. Okay, Euro Australian, we did give this buy. Sorry guys, I have allergy to the extreme hot weather right here. This Euro Japanese yen, you guys, we did give in the live yesterday. It was really nice. It did crash further. Look at this. We are selling Euro Japanese yen and buying Euro Australian at the same time, and both of them go green, guys. That's amazing. That's amazing. Nice. Euro index analysis. So we did give analysis in the Euro index to come from all the way up here, down here. Then if this is gonna continue to crash or it's gonna bounce up, that's something we can discuss. Pound yen, guys, we did the first sell right here at 139, and we said sell again at 137.50. So those are running only about 500 bips now. We did give a buy, Australian pound, Australian buy, which did run also good. Australian Japanese yen, we did give this one 75.73. It did crash probably over 120 pips right now. New Zealand dollar also, we did give this sell 65.51 right here. Okay, guys. And that's like Nasdaq. We give this sell. We did give a buy USD Turkish Lira, US30. This is the one hit stop loss yesterday. So we lost 200 points in this one yesterday. The DAX, we ended up break even. Some people made profit, but in this US30 it did go straight up, so we lost to 200 bips, but that's okay. The other ones we made like over 1,500, so that was okay. Pound dollar, we sold at 1.27 right here, so it's nice. We did give also some scalping. You guys see, even the euro dollar we're talking about is gonna bounce from here, so that's nice. Australian Japanese yen, we're selling. See, we're expecting this area to reverse from. It's all going good, guys. So just that was just a quick our idea that we trade what we show you guys. We don't trade anything different, really, just to be honest. So I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna switch to our MT4 so we can see what's going on in the market. Here we go. This is beautiful, nice MT4. I'm gonna fix the screen. Okay, then I'm gonna hide this Telegram and this stuff so it doesn't show in the background, so you can see this one. Okay, guys, perfect. And then I'm gonna read the comments. So right here, oil buy limit order is about to be triggered, and so is the DAX. High at which level buy back DAX index? We're watching the market. New Zealand to move far down. Yes, New Zealand should continue far down as long as the stock market is going down. Amran Sheikh saying, may I know why signal results are not published on weekly or monthly basis? Please, if you can share signal results according to each signal number, will be great help. We are planning to do this once we make the app, so this will be published when we do the apps. Okay, can you explain how the annual fee work? If I pay the annual fee, you will provide signals in addition to using the system. This is only a limited time offer for whoever gets the systems, the annual package. Now he will get to the signals for free, but once we launch the app, the signals are gonna be paid differently. Okay, so this is only a very limited time offer for this. Yahya here is saying salam Yahya, how are you, bud? Okay, guys, so I think you guys are in a really good profit. So we're just gonna take a break, guys, 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave this here so you can check it out, and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, thank you. Please, if you do have a question, just type it down. When I come back, then we can discuss it together. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye. Hi guys. Okay guys, you probably can take profit for this Fitzy right now. That's beautiful. We get 120 bips within a couple hours, so it's really nice. You can take profit now. That was really going nice. Yeah. If you guys sell at the 27,500, probably you can close this one also with some good profit. Just, you know, that's really nice. Our members are probably like 10% up in the account today or something. Okay guys, let's see if there is any questions right here. Just gonna put a nice chart. I don't want to see this ugly one. Okay guys, this is from yesterday, so I hope this does make sense to you. Excuse me, I just have an allergic bad one. Sahil, no, do not sell oil. Wait to buy it. Okay? You're too late. Bound Australian and bound New Zealand. Let's look at them. For bound Australian, you can take a buy if you want. We're already in a buy. You can take a buy from here and you'll stop below here. And also you can sell bound yen. Bound yen is probably a sell, but we sold from here. We sold from here, so we are 255 pips in profit. And we sold again here, so probably it's good for you guys to take profit. Why? Why is good now? We sold bound yen at 139, so we are like 260 bips in profit. Why it's good to take profit right now? Because the daily range for bound yen is about, I think, about 140 bips. So really, we got this within a day, almost double the daily range. So that's more than enough. We should get out. I hope this makes sense, guys. So what does it mean? The bound yen will not move. Most of the days will not move like 300 bips within one day. So I can see it coming crashing down more, but just, you know, giving you guys kind of an idea. If you get with this amount of profit, we sold here and we sold here, you should be happy about this and you should be getting out. However, if you want to hold it, move your stop loss to entry, then wait, that's also fine. We can see it coming all the way down here, but it may take a little bit more time. So Mr. Saimo, which is a very supportive to our channel, is asking, can you explain how the annual fee work? If I pay the annual fee, you will provide signals in addition to using the system. The signals will be given for free if you get the annual, so you're gonna get free signals. That's how it works. So the main payment is gonna be for the system and for the systems and the trading system and the VSA and access the website, but the signals are gonna be provided to you as a bonus. Okay, then this is gonna carry for a year. Once the signals come in a phone app, then the signals are not gonna be paid the same way. So, but for you, if you pay now, you're gonna get this offer. But if you pay after the signals come in app, then you're gonna have a different category. So it's gonna go in a different way. You're probably gonna have extra money. So now this is very, very discounted price for this time only till we launch the app. Mr. Steve is asking here, are you still keeping the trade open for Australian Japanese yen and bound Japanese yen? I would say yes. It's gonna come down a little bit further, but really when you see in the 1 hour time frame, the candle's getting really too far away from the cloud, you need to get out, take profit. If you want to sell again, you wait to pull back 70-80 pips or something, then you can sell again. If your heart is, you know, take this, pull back, and you just move your stop to entry and wait, that's fine. Also, there is a chance it's gonna just continue to come down. Not most likely to happen, but it's possible. So all choices. Really, the best entry was right here or there. Is not here. Here is a little bit too late to enter. Because really, if you enter here, you need to put your stop loss at the top of this arrow, which is here. And this would be like about 200 pips. Because it can make a pullback to any part of the cloud, hit the cloud and come back. Just like here, see, it did come down. It did go back up to the upper cloud, our line in the cloud. And it's coming back. It may give it one more candle, then it comes back to hit the cloud, then it comes back. Just like the same thing here. See, big candle, then it comes back to the cloud, guys, is a dynamic support. Okay, and this red one is dynamic resistance. So we're giving you a dynamic support and resistance that as long as it's supporting the price is not breaking below, you're good. Okay, if it does break below this one, then this dynamic support, it becomes a dynamic resistance, then you get a sell signal. It's either work or it doesn't work. Okay, if you're doing a good analysis and taking a good signal, probably it's gonna work most of the times. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. I would be preferring to sell Australian over pound yen. And if you're gonna sell, don't sell both of them, probably it's too much. Okay guys, I hope I didn't confuse you. Okay, you see guys, the signal was right here. Of course, at that time we were saying only buy. So once you did buy this one, you go all the way up with it, and only today you got a sell signal. You can see this one, it did break only today, and you got this sell signal. Okay guys, the dollar index is going up, so beautiful. Dollar index is gonna go up, so euro dollar is gonna be crashing, guys. Watch out, euro dollar. So if we, yeah, I would be probably preferring to sell euro dollar now. It's probably is gonna come down further. And you guys remember we made a specific video about euro dollar and how it should reverse from here. But watch out, if the Feds give negative interest rate news, this is gonna go to 1.1450. So it's gonna go 150 pips up to the upside. I don't think this is gonna happen, but this is a chance to happen. So please be careful of this one. Of course, with euro dollar, because it's ranging, we use the AGB, which is this system, guys. You are familiar with that one. See, guys, this is a system you specifically made for euro dollar. So, and the APCO was specifically made for oil. So this is made for euro dollar. You can see, as long as it's green inside, you only should be in a buy, and you really want to catch the buy from a lower band. It's like the Bollinger Band, but it's a little bit different. Okay, is more modified and is different, and it doesn't get narrow, it doesn't get wide like the Bollinger Band and just confuse you. This is really expecting the price movement. So when the price goes outside the range, then it need to come back. So you can see this come back sideways. It did drop, then it's going back up. Okay. So this is just the range of market. So when the market is ranging, we are using this one, which mostly the euro dollar. Okay, guys. So you can see this range of market. You can't really use any system other than something like this. You know, like it takes in consideration the range and stuff. So you can see from here was a really nice run, but it was, you know, nice run here from also was nice run coming down. So it's like this. I'm gonna close this one. Just I don't want the laptop to freeze. About to. Okay guys, you can see the dollar index is just breaking to the upside, so we'll see. You guys, we talked about the pound being a good sell. So if you did sell from the top here, which we mentioned, you probably should move your stop loss to enter and leave it. It's either gonna, it's a risk-free trade. It's either gonna come down or it's gonna hit like a stop loss at entry, which in both cases is good. So I want to show you guys something else now. Okay guys, so this is the APCO system. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how does it work. So you can see this is a nice sell signal right here. So this is just back testing, guys. Okay, so just to show you, if we run in the past, how does it look like when you draw the system. Okay, so just the back testing for the only the purpose of visualization of our trading system. If you can trade this one, if you can buy here and get out, if you can sell here and make profit, if you can get out with the first green candle, you get a continuation sell right here, you know. Okay guys, that was another re-entry. Please guys, do not listen to banks. So please don't listen to banks, they will misguide you. Yeah, Louise is saying he's selling New Zealand dollar and Canadian franc. I would sell Australian franc better than Canadian franc. Some saying here he purchased a system and he downloads some indicators and he is really thank you. You're welcome, like 5 times. Glad that you're really happy with the service. Oh, that's beautiful. You can see, guys, the system right in front of you is really, you can easily backtest it, really easy. So really, it's beautiful. Is even you can see that you're too far away from closing your trade because you're getting all these red beautiful candles, right? That was news times, guys. That was the ECB, I think, news, and it just bounced. First they give you a sell. Then with the press conference, it just did take to the upside, and I think it did continue to go up, if I remember correct. Also, guys, sometimes you're gonna see range in time, and that is no good like that. So that's why we always say trade only in London, New York, avoid anything else, because most of the other times you're gonna get ranging and you're not gonna get good trades. So that's the secret to avoid also ranging, to use the system, the VSA, and only to trade within New York and London. Okay, guys? So you can see right here, you have a peace of mind because you can move your stop loss at the top right here. So anything happen, your trade is gonna be closing in profit. Okay, guys, so this support and resistance also, you can use it as a stop loss trailer. That's something to pay attention to. So if you're right here, your stop loss should be at the top right here, like that. Okay, you can take certain profit as a target, like you make 200 pips, you get out, 300 pips, you get out, or you can wait till you get the first green candle. Okay, and of course when you reverse, you want to get out. Okay, so we also give weekly forecast to, you know, to give overall analysis of the market, and what would be the best to trade next week, what's happening, you know, all that stuff. This super high volatility down and up, it's probably news time. It's like bang bang like that, you know. So that was really nice run. That's probably, guys, about, that's over 200 pips right there. And see this, it didn't come, if you get out here, it didn't come below this anything, so it's really nice. That was in February 20, so that's coming March. So watch out, we're approaching the coronavirus time, guys. So this is gonna probably take to the upside about 1,500 points. So about to hit the corona now. Oh, guys, that's 2019. Okay, so that's last year. Sorry, that's not gonna be the coronavirus time. Still one more year. But it's really good. I would advise you guys, if you subscribe to our systems, if you need help how to do this, I can really show you guys really easy, or I can make a video to explain exactly step by step how can you do it. And you guys also can put our trading panel right here, and you can actually open and close. I think I'll call it back tester here. So if you use a different system like the AGB, you can see how this system works. Is gonna be a little bit different, right? It's running a little bit slower because this has a lot of math more than the other one in it. So you guys, if you're using trend lines and support and resistance, which is also available on our website, that's how it's gonna look like. So if you wanna use this strategy, you just need a lot of more experience to use this one. This is harder one. So it's getting a lot of breaks and where to trade and the support and resistance. You can see this. There is a lot of small trend lines. They're green and yellow. Probably if I change the color of the background, you're gonna see them. So you guys, you can see this one right now more, huh? You can see the support and resistance and those trend lines you can trade. So really, once you get this break, it was like bang, then that's the trend line you want to stay away from, you know. It did bounce from this support, so I think the other one is much easier than that one. So Dash is asking here, among those ones, which one you're gonna recommend for stock market. I would take for sure APCO, because it's made for oil and stock. Okay, so APCO probably is gonna be really good because it has a lot more tolerance to ranging. Okay, is more tolerant to ranging, so it's not gonna pick in any signal if it's the market's ranging. It has more filters built in, so it's more for stock and for oil. Okay, so really that one. If you trade stock, you're probably gonna need I don't know how long I've been trading, how successful you are, but we offer courses and stuff. You can telegram me, then we can set up something for you to explain to you how this works, and if you need a course or something, it's really good stuff. Hassie's selling Australian USD and New Zealand USD. Okay, we sold from previous price, from like a higher price. So if you want to join now, it's I think it's okay, but you have to be careful, because if the dollar news is gonna get negative, like they go negative interest rate and stuff, then this is gonna go up, which I don't think so, but it's possible. Just to be in the safe side, don't go crazy, you know, in the lot size, just in case if it doesn't work out. You guys, please do not risk more than 1 to 2% in any trade. So really, if you make 100 successful trades using 1% risk, you're gonna be doubling your account, and this can be happen within 3, 4, 5, 6 months. It doesn't matter, but you're better than the 5% from the bank. So okay guys, so I don't know if you guys like this system or not. Some people love it, some people it's a lot more difficult. So I use it because I do analysis indexes by index. So really index by index, so really I can use it because I have the previous analysis of the euro index itself and Australian index itself. But if someone does not have this background, is gonna find it difficult. And this is standard classic way of trading trend line, support and resistance. Is not very easy, guys. Where a lot of people make it look easy, just buy at the support and sell at the resistance. It's not that easy. If you go the ABC system, so ABC, so you guys see this, and you can see this system right now here. That's going really slow because you guys remember the crash at the beginning of 2019, and that was August. I think this is gonna come down also. This is gonna shoot up. So guys, that's pretty cool. Slow, fast, crazy. You're welcome, Dash. You can text me in Telegram. I can type my Telegram down here. If you need a course, and if you really invest in such an amount that it's worth it, then you can discuss with me about a course and stuff like that. Of course, guys, if you trade the 1 hour time frame, you're gonna get a lot more signals and stuff like this. In this one, if you trade the 4 hour time frame, you're gonna get less signals but more accuracy. So also you wanna make sure you take the signals in London or New York, because you get really nice strong trend. That's why trading is really hard, guys, because 80% of the market is garbage. So you only want to pick the 20%, and you want to pick them in the right time and be in the good direction. So that's why it's very difficult to make money and be consistent in profit in this market. So with the understanding and everything, you still need a system. You need to control your emotion. You need risk management. You need all that stuff. So that's why it's good to be in a team and, you know, take opinion of other people and help on stuff. So that's really cool stuff. And sometimes the market's gonna be really good to trade, and sometimes the market is not good to trade. Like last week, one day I said the market is not good to trade, so it was just, you know, it's not good market. So we are going to see after probably 2-3 minutes, we're gonna see the effect of the coronavirus in Euro Australian and what happened after this, and when did we join the sell. So that's cool stuff. Okay, guys, so I think, you know, that's still in December. If you guys remember in December, I think, yeah, that was the previous year, in 2019. So watch out what's gonna happen now, guys, okay? Watch out about this. Euro Australian at 1.60. See what's gonna happen now, just within couple minutes. Unbelievable. Unbelievable what's gonna happen. That was at the end of the year, guys. That's December. Euro Australian was 1.56, 1.59. So that's in January. Start picking up in Euro Australian. Watch out, this is gonna go like 1,700 points up, guys. So pay attention to this. At 1.6, it did go to 1.76. So just now, with the January at the start of the year, no problem. Everything was going fine. It did even give it another push, I think, at 1.58 down. So you guys, we still at 1.61, 1.162, only January. Watch out for this. I think also there was some euro news at that time, did make it fly up a little bit, isn't it? It did relax down a little tiny bit. Then in March, so we just have February to go through, then in March you're gonna see the coronavirus effect. So you guys see what happened right here. We were at 1.58. Look at this. It's flying up 1.65. And that's only was still in January. So that was still okay within the range. It did go up only a few hundred bips and it's coming down. So we just need to go through February. Then after that you're gonna see in March, you're gonna see the disaster to happen. So really these are the good sales, guys, and if you get a really nice sale like that and you kind of load it, you know, add sales to it and make really like 400-500 bips run, you're gonna hit like 200, like 2000 bips down really nice. So but just you need a little bit more understanding to the market and which one is gonna be good, and you can kind of not really go crazy risking it, but kind of give it a little bit more probability of success, so you give it a little bit more weight in the lot size. That's what I'm saying. So you guys, comes February, so it does come back again at 1.61. Look at this run right now. You guys see this one? So look at this signal. Look at this signal right here. Look at this. So look at this. It's flying up. So right now, only from here to there, 500 bips, and is not stopping. Just pushing up and higher, more money. So that's the opportunity. Look at this. You're 700, 800 bips, 850. It starts relaxing down a little bit when they start to announce about a cure from the coronavirus or vaccine. So 900 bips, one trade only. One it even I got from a higher place. If you take it from here, 960. And it did come down a little bit when they announced there was a vaccine for the coronavirus to start coming down. Then they announced the vaccination didn't work out. So it did start to continue going up to 1.76, which is like another 1000 bips up. Look at this. It was at 1.6, so you get 1000 pips up. How much money is this? Unbelievable. Look at the gap. Look at this huge right here. It did hit the 1.81. You guys, this only from here to there, 1,200 bips. Even after this one, still it got like, I think, 176. That's opportunity. In this coronavirus time, there was tons and tons of money to be made in the market, guys. It was tons of money. If you know how to trade the market and volatility at that time and just be in the right side of the trade, you're gonna be really good profit. It's very huge amount of volatility over a very short period of time, so that's what's really you want in this market. Extreme volatility over a very short period of time, that's what you want. When you scan stock, you want the one is moving, right? You don't want the one is dead. So you run your scanner to get really whatever is moving, and then you kind of determine the volatility of this one and the potential for volatility. This did run from 1.6 to 1.9 right there. That's like 4,000 points or something. Then later on, this sell was beautiful. You guys, now we are trading at 1.62. Imagine this, 1.9. That was a huge amount of money. Huge amount of money. So you've made like tons of money in this buy, and in this sell you'll make really good profit. So it was very successful both ways. Sam is asking here about EuroCAD. EuroCAD is gonna go up a little bit, then it's gonna bounce. So start to sell from a higher place. Do not join this buy. I would rather you buy in Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand, but later on when you come to sell EuroCAD. I hope this does make sense. So you guys, you can see how much money was in this. Huge amount. Yeah, you're welcome, Sam. Okay guys, so the systems are customizable, so you can actually fix whatever you like, the way you like. We have a lot of choices you can have, so really cool stuff. So if you want to set up your system, just to look something like this, it's available. We also help you guys for the annual package. We have assistance for the for installation and everything. Okay guys, let's just go have a look at the trading view. Guys, it's just been about close to 2 hours now, so we're just gonna wrap this up for now, and hopefully in London, in New York time, we can just have another quick look at the market and see what's going on. Thank you for joining me today. It was my pleasure. And if you guys would like to order the systems, available at Fxmarketstrategyadmin. The prices are really affordable, and the tools are really nice, and we have a really nice support for our clients. So you guys by all means are most welcome to join. We have a monthly plan, we have 3 months, we have 6 months, 9 months, and the annual. The annual one that comes also with the online education. So please, if you do sign up for the annual or subscribe for the annual package, text me so we can set a Zoom meeting. You know, we collect about 3, 4, 5 people together, and we have an online meeting, which is really beneficial to the people to understand trading, and really good. Thank you for joining me today. It was my pleasure, and thank you for all the questions and answers and all the help and assist. More than 1 to 2% in any trade, and trade safe. Okay guys, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.